I'm fired up to talk about something that's crucial for every single one of you grinding it out in the great state of Texas. You know, you're out there building your dream, serving your customers, make things happen, right? And when the money start rolling in, it feels good, really good. You see that cash hitting the bank, and the first thought you're probably like, boom, we're profitable. Here's the biggest, most common misconception I see with small business owners, especially those of us who are just heads down building something awesome. We think if money is coming in, we're profitable. And that, my friend, is a trap. A big old Texas-sized trap that can sneak up on you faster than a tumbleweed in a tornado. Look, seeing cash flow it's awesome, and truly it's awesome, but it doesn't tell you the whole story. You can have a whole lot of money coming in and still be losing your shirt if you're not paying attention to where it's all going. You can out earn your own, well, let's say, lack of expense management. So today we're going to talk and you're going to think about two critical questions you have to ask yourself, because these are your business vital signs. And if you know how to read them, you can spot them a problem early, make smarter decisions, and truly make a dollar more effectively. And here are the two financial health metrics that Texas business owners needs to know. And in your gut, always. First one is, are you cash flow profitable? Are you cash flow profitable? Cash flow profitable means that more cash is coming into your business than is going out over a specific period. Sounds obvious, right? But it's not just about sales. Remember when we talked about the income statement? That's your business story of profit over time. It starts with all that lovely revenue, the money you brought in from selling your services and products. But then you got to subtract all of your expenses, rent, utilities, marketing, salaries, and even those software subscriptions you signed up for last year and forgot all about it. If your net profit at the bottom of that income statement is in the black, meaning it's positive number after everything is accounted for, then congratulations, you are cash flow profitable. This isn't about just money in your bank account, which can fluctuate widely. This is about whether your business model, day in and day out, is actually generating more money than it's spending. It's the difference between just having water in a cup and ensuring that water isn't leaking out faster than you can pour in. So then number two, are your gross margins above 50%? This one is a bigger one because especially for those service business like many of us, your gross margins tells you how much money you make from selling your products and services before you pay for all the other operating expenses like the office space or your internet bill. To get this, you take your revenue, your total gross sales, what you charge your customers, and you subtract your cost of goods sold, or COGS. For a service business, this might be the direct cost of delivering that service. Maybe it's the subcontractor fees. Maybe it's the materials directly used for a client project. If you're selling lemonade, it's lemons, sugar, and water. Now, why 50%? For many service business, hitting a gross margin of 50% or higher is a sweet spot. It means for every dollar you're bringing in, you're keeping at least 50 cents to cover all those other expenses and ultimately put some profit in your pocket. If your gross margins is too low, you're working twice as hard just to break even, and that's not fun for anyone. It's a huge indicator of how efficient and effectively you are pricing and delivering your core offering. Understanding these two questions isn't just for your accountant, I promise you. It's how you truly know if your business is healthy, if you are patching those hidden money drains, and if you're actually growing in a smart, sustainable way. Don't just rely on your bank balance to tell you how you're doing. These numbers tell a deeper story. So if you're sitting there thinking, man, I need to dig into those numbers, or where do I even find my cogs? Then you need to come join our community, our Go Make a Dollar community. We're all about empowering you to make better and manage your business better. Understand your financials and truly unlock your profit potential. We're here to help you make sense of those numbers and use them to your advantage. So here's my challenge to you, my fellow entrepreneurs. This week, pull up your last income statement and honestly ask yourself, are you cash flow profitable? And what's your current gross margins percentage? Go find those numbers, understand them, and then share your biggest aha moment in the comments below. Let's grow smarter together. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the community.